Welcome to Garup Windows YouTube video channel. In this video, you will learn to set Spotlight Picture as desktop background in Windows 11. To set Spotlight Picture as desktop background in Windows 11, open the Windows settings by pressing Windows + I keys on the keyboard. When Windows settings opens, click on the personalization option in the left sidebar. Then, on the right sidebar of personalization, click the background tile. After that, click the drop-down menu beside Personalize Your Background, and select the Spotlight Collection option to set the Spotlight Picture as desktop wallpaper. Once you set Spotlight Collection as the desktop background, it will be immediately applied to your windows, and you will start seeing new stunning wallpapers. That's it.